Homelessness can affect anyone and comes in many forms. Most people can recover with the right support at an early stage. But losing your home also means losing your address. And today, an address forms a key part of your identity. So, without one, you lose access to the services and support you need to get back on your feet. ProxyAddress fixes this catch-22 by using spare addresses and duplicating their data to create a proxy. This provides a stable identity for those without a permanent home. A proxy address is secure, private, and it moves with you wherever you go, all without affecting the original property, its post, or credit rating. And because we use existing information, it saves councils money, making sure that every proxy address is free to the person using it. A proxy address helps those facing homelessness avoid a cliff edge, bridging a period of instability to help keep the path to recovery open for all.